Hello, I'm here. So, you know what is this? This is my robotic hand. So, it's the DIY robotic arm is made by connecting straws with threads on a cardboard to create a flexible hand, like a human hand. So it works like this. So when you pull, it goes. See, I'm pulling and it's moving. And when I, like the human hand, so when I pull it down, it closes, goes down. And when I push it up, it goes up. So by pulling the threads, we can make the robotic hand bend and twist, showing how the power of tension control is amazing movement. So what is tension? So tension is like the superpower in the robotic hand. It's the tightness or pull in the threads that allow us to control how the arm moves and bends. So one can think of it as the invisible force that makes the arm come to life and do unbelievable things. Some pictures of how it works, so you can see. My little robo, la la la. I like to move my little hand. So there are many uses of the robotic hand. So it can help people. So the robotic hands can give a new hand to someone who's lost theirs. So it can make things. So it builds things and put things together in factories. And it can explore space. So it can go to space and help astronauts by grabbing tools or fixing things in places humans can't easily reach. So the fixing bodies. So it's useful for the doctors. So it's useful for the doctors, helping them with the surgeries. So if you want to see more on coding, check out my coding playlist. Like my teachable machine. Machine. I've got different fast finger. Hello everybody, welcome. Just code hacks and more. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more. It is science. Boo. Bye.